did you know that your baby boy would one day walk on water?
Les orages, quand ils grognent, quand ça tonne dehors, ça fait peur les enfants.
Did you know that your baby boy has come to make you new? And this child that you delivered will soon deliver you.
Les orages, quand ça grogne, quand ça tonne, ça fait peur les enfants, ils se cachent.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy would calm a storm with his hand? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels trod?
Après les orages, il y a la pluie qui va tomber, tomber.
Oh Mary, did you know? Mary, did you know? The blind will see, the deaf will hear, the dead will live again.
Les orages, ça y est, ils sont partis maintenant, il y a la pluie, il fait froid.
Mary, did you know that your baby boy is Lord of all creation?
Pensez-vous à vous couvrir et à bien vous habiller, sinon vous allez tomber malade.
Did you know that your baby boy is heaven's perfect lamb? And the sleeping child you're holding is
Couvrez-vous
the
bien.
great I am. I am. Merry Christmas.